welcome back to my channel Learning Javed Mohan. Today in this class we will learn about loss of habitat. What is loss of habitat? Loss of habitat means, in our previous classes we learned about carnivores, omnivores and herbivores. So after the class we also learned about habitat and animal. What is habitat? Habitat means it's a natural home of plants and animals where they live and make food and water and shelters. We come into our topic. So what is loss of habitat? Loss of habitat, first point is natural disaster. Natural disaster means loss of living beings. What is loss of? How can it possible? How can we can lose how? Why? Because of the. How can it possible? Living beings are lost. Why? Because of winds, tsunamis and fires of this. You know about Amazon forest? It is also called as lungs of the earth. So the forest got fired. How? Why? Because of tsunamis, fire and also volcanoes. So natural disaster means loss of human beings because of natural disaster. It's taking habitat of the animals. So it's our natural disaster over. So it's now deforestation. After we learn about important points is global warming, pollution. So what will come about? So friends, what is the deforestation? Deforestation means destroying the trees and plants or grasslands. You know what grasslands? They live giraffes and so many animals. So what is we know about? So many people, human beings are cutting trees of the grasslands and plants and a lot of for making from wood also make a sofa and also so many furnitures like carom boards also. So many of these we are furnitures and for industries they are cutting trees and making road and taking place of the animals' habitat. So important topic. Remember that global warming, pollution. Stop. Global warming. So global warming and also called as pollution. What is global warming? You know how electricity is generating? Tell me in comment chat box. You have only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So time up. Tell me in comments now. Global warming means how electricity is generating. Koila, also called coal and koila, and winds and solar and water. So I have confusion how electricity is generated. Water electricity will keep hand on water. How can it possible? It's not coming electricity. Whatever we say. So burning koila and also petrol. You know factories coming so many smoke. Na? You know ozone layer. It's also called as ozone layer protects our from the heat of the sun. Heat of the sun is very dangerous. Keep it remember in your mind. So ozone layer means it's also classed at two. It's also classed at first. It's protect umbrella. Ozone layer also represents the name umbrella and thick blanket of the earth. So we are polluting so many pollution and smoke. You know dinosaurs are uh, erupted from the meteoroid. That only ozone layer will destroy now. So of the heat of the sun, it will attack on the earth, and we cannot survive in the earth, and we will die. How you know? Why? Because of the dangerous sunlight. And you know how meteor falls on the earth and destroy. That light only the earth will destroy. Why? Because sun is very dangerous. So friends, how you like this class? I am from Khambam, Telangana, Oxford High School. My teachers are learning very good. Learning means I am learning from this all subject from my teachers and all my dear teachers and my friends and my all my friends and all my classmates. They are teaching me. My teachers are teaching me very good. All my teachers, you are learning me. Thank you for me. Learn from you all my teachers. So friends, my friends, Suhas, all my friends watching this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe is very important. Ghanta bajao ghanta. So friends, how you like this video? Till then, bye bye. Bye.